Can you eat sushi during pregnancy? Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm a pregnancy registered dietitian nutritionist, and I'd love to answer this question for you. First, from a food safety perspective, we have to remember that no one food is guaranteed 100% safe or unsafe. So really, any ingredient in sushi can potentially cause you to get sick. Second, we still want to avoid high mercury fish like ahi or bluefin tuna, swordfish, or king mackerel. It's also best to avoid any dishes with raw shellfish like raw shrimp. Other good news is that there are a lot of varieties of sushi. There are plenty of cooked rolls and veggie rolls out there that you can eat. You might be surprised to find out that raw fish is actually recommended during pregnancy in Japan. The quality and sourcing is of course different, but pregnancy recommendations are also widely different between country to country. If you decide to enjoy sushi during your pregnancy, go to a high quality place that you trust. If you're feeling confused about what you can and can't eat, or maybe even limited, I'd love for you to check out the Prenatal Nutrition Library. It is your one-stop shop for everything food during pregnancy, so you know exactly what to eat and if it's safe or not for you and baby.